guys, and welcome to another C++ tutorial. Today we're going to talk about variables. What are those? Well, simply put, variables is just a placeholder. Simple enough, it's just a placeholder. For instance, I don't know, let's write something like this. I love coffee equals, I don't know, 1, for instance, which is like, I really love coffee. And you know, 1 0, 1 true, 1 is truth, 0 is negative. Person A plus I love coffee equals 2, for instance. Hey, this is just stupid, but you know, it's just a placeholder. But not to get you confused, let's just write a few things. So, for instance, a variable that we're going to use today is int, which stands for integer. Now, integer is a number with no decimal point. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's no decimal point in integer. So let's write integer, I don't know, coffee is equal to 3. And remember, you have to end it with that semicolon. And can you print this? Yeah, let's write it. Let's print it. Print f percentage d, and I'm gonna write coffee. Why is all this? Print f with this under the quotation marks. I'm gonna is printing out these things, these integers. For instance, type f, percentage f prints out the float. So let's just see, debug, start without debugging. I have a few errors here, I think I messed up something. See, it already says 3, just pretty awesome. Alright, so let's delete this. Let's make something else. What should we make today? Let's see. So, integers are numbers with no decimal point, you know that. That's a variable. It must be variables must have a data type and must be declared. So let's move on to something else. Let's write simple mathematical operation. Let's add few numbers. Alright, so let's write integer x equals 7 semicolon, and let's write integer epsilon equals to 3 semicolon. Now normally this won't do anything, you can print out these separately, but let's write something else. Let's write a third variable. Let's call it integer z is equal to x plus epsilon, and put that semicolon there. Now what this does, it depends on you actually. So I don't want to print out these first two, but I want to print out the integer z. So I'm gonna write printf, and under the quotation marks I'm gonna write percentage d, and I'm gonna go that, and I'm going to close it with semicolon. I'm gonna put z there. And let's see how this works. Start without debugging. Yes. See? I don't know how much you can see, but it says 10, so. Which is pretty cool. You can actually just work your way through it, like open the quotation mark, write in it numbers, percentage d, r, and then you leave that space, and result is percentage d. do that, and then you write a, no, not a, x, epsilon, and z, close it all, and now you will, now what will print out is, first of all, numbers, percentage d, is it takes from this part. See, it searches, percentage d searches for that variable that it was assigned to it. So the first percentage d is going to search for the first variable, which is x. The next percentage d is going to search for the next variable, which is epsilon. And the result is the last percentage d is going to search for the last variable. So now when we print it out, start with debugging, what it should do is numbers are 73, but it says 73 because it you put the separator between them. And the result is 10. Press key to continue. So, long story short, variables is just a placeholder, something like this. So don't need to worry about that. In this case, we used integers. Now, integers is a number with no decimal points. You can see, you can use all of these. You can aside from writing things, you can also make it, you know, calculate something, such as we just did right now, simple mathematical operations, which is pretty cool. So that's so far about variables. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode or tutorial. Yeah, that. Right, stay awesome. Peace.